everyone, this is Kathy with Frankly Natural Beauty, and today's gonna be just me. Kelsey is at the shop. Our shop is open today, so I am recording this video by myself. I hope it's gonna be okay. But today I am making this cute soap. It's our Mermaid soap, and this one is gonna be the last soap for the summer, and it's already August, and it's just gonna be the last one. So what I have in here, I have my usual oils: olive, coconut oil, castor oil, and a palm oil. Usual oil there, and I'm gonna do kind of like a wave like we did with the turtle soap. Very similar. It's my lye solution. Putting in my oils right now. Right there. All right, so I'm gonna swirl this a little bit, and we're gonna blend it. Gonna get the light trace, and then we're gonna color it. And I'm gonna use. Actually, I forgot to tell you guys, I am using sea salt, a fragrance oil, and I think it was ocean rain and sea salt in here. I mixed it up together because I thought the one, was too kind of strong, so I wanted to do a little bit different. But smells great. Smells so nice. So let's do this. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna separate this batter in 3 to 4. I think maybe 4. I want to do 4 maybe. Find those little containers here. Okay. So let's see here. See if we can do this right. All right. They don't have to be equal. So now we're gonna pipe a little bit over here, just a little bit. Might not even have these stay like this. We'll see. Kind of want to look at messy, not really like that. So the piping is just helping me make the height. So I don't really even want to have. Oops, sorry about my arm. See, I don't want it to be perfect. I want it to be kind of messy. So let's see if we can do this. I'm gonna do this guy around so you guys can see what I'm doing over here. I'm actually decide I don't like the piping, so alright. Now I'm going to use a little bit of bio glitter from Brambleberry. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to be using the rainbow eco glitter from Brambleberry. Sorry about my hand. No. This is my version of the Mermaid soap. I know a lot of my customers have been looking for that one, so now we have one, and this is the last soap of the summer series. The next video is going to be all about fall. Okay, so I'm going to try to do, a video a week. We're really busy right now, so sorry if we don't have a lot of videos right now, but really busy with the store there, and with our booth at the public market, and we're gonna be getting ready for fall and actually Christmas pretty soon. In fact, all this month in August is gonna be fall and Christmas. We're gonna be doing a lot of restocking, a lot of cool stuff. So okay, so let me show you how it looks from close. Let me get this out. Alright, this is what it looks like on top. I put some eco glitter from Brambleberry, the rainbow eco glitter. And it looks pretty cute. Well, we're gonna come back in about 24 to 48 hours. We'll see how it looks. And we're going to cut it, and we're going to see what's inside of my wave turned out. All right. See you in a jiffy. All right, guys, this is after 24 hours, and I think it's ready to be cut. And that's what it looks like from the side. This is my Mermaid soap. There you go, for all the mermaids out there. All right. That's what it looks like from the side here. I want to turn it around and show you the other side too, okay? All right, and this is the side with the shells, and you can see everything over here. See? All right. Okay, so let's go and cut this baby and see what looks inside. All right, so let's see what's inside. Let's see what it looks like. First slice. First slice. Ooh, look at that. What do you think, Kelsey?
That's pretty.
It's a different... Okay, if you guys want a size of this beautiful soap, you can get at the Buckley Public Market in Buckley, Washington. And if you don't live here in Washington State or nearby, you can always PM me on Facebook, and I will send you a bar. Okay, I'm working on my Facebook shop. I have a shop on my Facebook page right now. I'm working on my website. I don't know when that's going to be ready, but we're working on it. It's a lot of stuff going on right now this time of the year, so we're working everywhere. Shop, making soap, website. So let me know if you guys want it, and I will be very happy to send it to you, okay? Alright, so I see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe, and remember to like this video if you liked it, or not, whatever you want to do. Alright guys, I'll see you next video. Bye, have a wonderful day or night. And don't forget to like each other, love the world, love everybody. Bye-bye.